Guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anirudh, and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will show you what is two lowercase and two uppercase method. So I will go to HTML file and I will explain what those method. So those method are applicable for string. So I have added one string and that I have stored inside a str variable. So here understand the syntax first of all. So string dot two lowercase. Okay, so for me string means this variable because here I have stored the string value. So I have written the same str and then two lowercase the method name. So I have added this one, and in the another example I have added code for uppercase. Okay, so same str, only instead of lowercase to uppercase. Okay, and here you can see the syntax. Now I have consoled those two lowercase and uppercase which I stored those variables. So now what I will get the output. Okay, so see here H is the capital and after that all are small letter. Okay, same C is the capital, other are small letter. Okay, so when I will write two lowercase, that means those capital letter also will convert into a lowercase, and for this case two uppercase means here E L L O and this one R E A T I V. So all small letter will convert into capital letter. So that is the difference of two lowercase and two uppercase, and that is the use of two lowercase and two uppercase method. So I will just open the console. I will open the console and here you can see all letter converted into small letter and here all letter converted into capital letter. So that is the use of lowercase and uppercase. And if you find this video helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more updates in JavaScript.